My name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. I'm really excited about this car here. It's a 71 GTO. I love that Enduro front end. It's a factory code 19 factory black car, and body off the frame restored. Check out those wheels. I just got a lot of great stuff to talk about on this car. But if you go to volocars.com, that's where you can read all the specs. You can study the 100 pictures, and you'll get the price, not only on this car, but a couple hundred collector cars that are all for sale at volocars.com. If you enjoy our videos, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and if you click on the bell icon, it'll notify you as the videos come out. But right now, join me. Let's go for a spin in this Starlight Black GTO. Yeah, this is Pontiac historical documented. It's code 19 upper and lower, so it never had a vinyl top. They didn't make many black cars back then. Very rare, whether it's a Camaro, Chevelle, they didn't make a lot of black cars. This was born black with black interior. And it is stunning. The fit and finish is outstanding. It is a mirror everywhere you look. I could read the dictionary in the reflection of this paint anywhere. Gorgeous, and everything lines up beautifully, square and flush. I like that. Look at smooth across here. Look at that gap, right on the money. The doors fit real nice and smooth and flush. All the trim and moldings. Look how that bumper fits right into the body. The front bumper, that's the Enduro front end. I think it's aggressive. I love it. And it's a rubber Enduro front bumper. There's no cracks in it, and it fits excellent. All the trim, the stainless looks like it's new or polished. The bumper's re-chromed. And these wheels, 17-inch honeycomb wheels with Mickey Thompson street comp tires. So nice set of tires and wheels. And look at the stance. It has a little bit of a muscle car stance to it. The front tires are just a hair smaller. And they threw a wing on it and a hood tack. So you got one hot looking muscle car. Look at how it lines up real nice up here. I do see there's a hairline crack right here in the hood. Windshield is new. Mirrors are new. Door handles. Bottom of the doors are clean. I already looked at them. They're painted very neatly, glossy. Has new weather strips, new sill plates, all metal, clean fenders. They did splice the quarter panels up high. It's all metal quarter panel. Car was built in California. I don't know where it lived its whole life, but it's a California car. The floors are this nice. The floors, it's body off the frame restored. Smooth, clean floors. You can get under there and wipe them with a rag. Everything under the car was painted with a gun. All the chassis components was all done. Speaking of the chassis, up front it is completely rebuilt front end, detailed. It's Detroit Speed, upper and lower tubular control arms, and a custom adjustable sway bar. Rear suspension's all redone. It has the box control arms, sway bar. It's all new bushing, spring shocks, all new brakes, upgraded in front with drilled and slotted rotors. Has stainless steel braided brake hoses. Parking brakes all complete. Actually had new cables. New Dynamax dual exhaust system with the correct splitters out the back. Turbo 400 automatic. So underneath this car, check out our pictures. It's beautiful. Body off frame restoration in 2015. And we were told there's about 1,500 miles on it since it's been done. The actual grills are in excellent shape. Show quality. This is not just a spray can special. This was a part and restored. The motor is still clean. It is a period correct 1971 400 motor. They put the HO exhaust manifolds on it. They did upgrade it with an MSD ignition system. It features factory air. It's been updated with the 134 Freon. It has power steering, power brakes. It's a new CPP master cylinder. Alternator is polished aluminum. New radiator, still has a tag on it. It's a polished overflow bottle. Upholstery's been redone, seats are restuffed, door panels are in excellent shape. Dash area is all real nice, carpets are new. Beautiful trunk compartment, all clean metal, spatter painted very neatly, nicely. Has the mat, has a Rally 2 wheel, Goodyear tire, whole jack assembly, all that's painted, detailed, all gloss black. New weather strip is all beautiful in here. Pretty much a show car everywhere you look. That's a tilt wheel. It's got the Rally gauges. Oh yeah, new cushions in the seat, feels nice. So the Rally gauges. Working clock. Nope, it's not moving. Sorry, I'm seeing things. It does have a clock. Has a hood tachometer. Has a stereo hidden away in the glove box. New mirror, new headliner, dome light works, visors have been redone. All the metal's painted real nice, firewall's clean, wiper motor's hooked up, has the hood insulation. The AC box is raw fiberglass like it's supposed to be. Sits and idles beautifully, but yet it's got a nice responsive snap to it. My brother actually just went for a test drive right before the video, and he said it drove real nice, comfortable, smooth, straight, stops nice. This is a turnkey car, folks. This is unique. My father just walked by before the video and says, you know, you get Camaros, you get Chevelles. When is the last time you've seen a 71 GTO? And decked out with these wheels and spoilers and a factory black. This is a hot car. You're going to go to a car show or the gas station or wherever you want to go. People are going to come up and look at this car. They're going to give you compliments.
Boy, if you get that air blowing ice cold with that black car in the summertime,
Yeah.
I'd buy that in a heartbeat. If you had cold air on there, that would be my next car. God, is the lighting on this?
Go to volocars.com. Plenty of ways on there to contact our staff. If you have any concerns or questions about the car, the financing, the delivery, plenty of ways to reach us on there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you enjoy watching the videos, if you click on the bell icon, you'll be the first to see the next video that comes out. Thanks for watching.